I'm gonna show you all this. This is a Mr. Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist. And I'm a Ganiac, so right up my alley. Anyway, this stuff works really well because these little three burner stoves really, everything you cook kind of pops out on them. Just the type of setup it is, and this stuff does a really good job of taking all that deep grime and everything out. These stoves always look dirty because it's so shallow, and it's anything that splashes out of a pan gets right on there, and it really shows up on camera. So, but yeah, this stuff works great. I'm always doing reviews on food and everything, and it's kind of odd. Nobody ever asked, like, what do you use to clean up? I think somebody asked a long time ago, like, what do you use for cleaner to clean up with? And filming all these episodes, especially when you're cooking, is one thing. When you're trying to film it and cook, it's a lot messier. I don't know how to explain that, but you're filming, so you're using one hand to turn and holding the camera in the other hand and whatever. So it just makes a bigger mess than if you're normal cooking. So that's the cleaner I like to use. I hate using like a degreaser because they're pretty toxic and not good to breathe for your lungs and all. And this one here just does a good job as a general purpose cleaner.